We'll be making this Kusudama that looks like a star here, and it's a H-form module. Start off with 3 to 1, and we'll start with right side up. Fold it in half like this, and fold it half again like this. Leave a little bit of gap here. And after that, just go ahead and open up, and we'll do it right side up again. Now focus on here. We want to start pivoting this point here and bring this corner to this line, this third line, like this. Just aim it, but only pinch here. And now make a horizontal fold that starts from this intersection, like this. And after that, we want to make a line that connects this point with the middle point here, like this. Start from this intersection and until the middle. And same with the other side. Repeat the same at the other side here. Start from the corner and aim like this. Bring this corner to the third line and pinch here. And now fold a horizontal that goes through the intersection. Make a fold that goes through the middle and this intersection line. And repeat on the other side. Now close these two sides like this. Turn to the back and refold the folds like this and make a valley fold. Make sure you crease hard. Now focus on here. We want to make a diagonal fold that starts from the middle of this section like this. Just do an estimate and make a diagonal fold that goes through the middle. And same with the other side. Now do a reverse fold on this one. Open this side and do a reverse fold like this. And close this one. This small triangle should be folded back. Same here. Reverse fold this one and fold back the small triangle and refold everything. Now just do a zigzag on here. Fold this one so that it's aligned to the back, and zigzag fold this one so it aligns to the back here. Same with this part, the other side. Do a zigzag. I'll focus on this part, this flat. We want to fold this line so that this one will form a 90-degree angle like this. And this is 90-degree. An estimate will do. Just fold until here and bring this up, the other side up as well. So it is like a rabbit ear fold. And if you focus here, we want to make an angular bisector for this section here like this. It will be like this. And repeat at the other side so that this part is sticking out like this. Same with the other side. Fold this one so that it is 90 degree here, and fold the other side to make a rabbit ear fold, and do an angular bisector like and repeat at the other side so that this part is sticking out like this. To assemble, the flap will be here, and just insert it. Make sure you are at the correct flap like this. Insert it like this, and another one, put it like this. And complete a triangle. If you assemble 30, you will get this. This takes the form of an icosahedron. Enjoy folding.